Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your phone is hacked. So let's get into it. First, you notice something you don't recognize on your phone. Look out for apps you didn't download, text messages you didn't send, purchases you didn't make, and suspicious phone calls. Second, your phone works slowly. As well as being unusually slow, the phone uses more resources and battery power and becomes hotter than normal. Malware working in the background might reduce its power significantly. Third, mysterious data usage spikes. Data usage spikes could occur without any changes on your part. Malicious processes might be consuming your mobile data in the background as they track what you do. Fourth, strange behavior. Apps don't run the way they should. Switch on and off unexpectedly, or crash and fail to load. Fifth, pop-ups. If you notice lots of pop-ups appearing on your screen, you probably have a spyware or malware. Let your friends and contacts know if your device has been hacked. It's likely that hackers will use your compromised phone as well as any messaging apps you have installed to launch more attacks on other people. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.